Is your computer running so slow that you feel like throwing it out the window? Don't worry, you're not alone. A sluggish computer can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get work done or enjoy your favorite games. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune on a new machine. Today, I'm going to show you simple and effective ways to speed up your computer and make it feel brand new. Hey everyone! Welcome back to this channel, where we tackle everyday tech challenges and make your digital life easier. And in today's video, we're diving into one of the most common problems people face, a slow computer. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even a laptop, I'll walk you through step-by-step tips to boost your computer's speed, performance, and overall health. From cleaning up unnecessary files to upgrading hardware, we've got it all covered. By the end of this video, your computer will be running faster than ever before. So, grab a cup of coffee, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Why is your computer slow? The common culprits. Before we fix the problem, let's understand what's slowing your computer down. Here are the usual culprits. Too many programs running in the background, junk, files and temporary data clogging up your storage, outdated, or unnecessary software eating up resources, not enough memory RAM or storage, space or viruses or malware slowing down your system, outdated hardware that can't keep up with modern software. Don't worry, whatever the issue is, we're going to tackle it step by step. A relatable story, the slow computer struggle. Here's a quick story. My friend Sarah called me last week, panicking because her computer was so slow that she missed the start of an important Zoom meeting. She thought she needed to buy a brand new laptop, but after a few simple tweaks, her computer was running like a dream and she didn't spend a single penny. Now let's do the same for you. Easy software fixes. Clean up your startup programs. First, let's talk about startup programs. These are apps that automatically launch when you turn on your computer. Too many startup programs can slow down your boot time and overall performance. Here's how to fix it on Windows. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any programs you don't need right away. On a Mac, go to System Preferences greater than Users and Groups greater than Login Items and remove unnecessary apps. This simple trick can shave minutes off your startup time. Delete temporary and junk files. Next, let's clean up those temporary files and junk that are taking up space on your computer. On Windows, use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. Just search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Select the drive and let it do its magic. For Mac users, go to About This Mac greater than Storage greater than Manage and follow the recommendations to free up space. You'll be amazed at how much faster your computer feels once you clear out the clutter. Uninstall unused programs. Do you have programs installed that you haven't used in years? It's time to say goodbye to them. On Windows, go to Control Panel greater than Programs greater than Uninstall a program and remove anything you no longer need. On a Mac, drag the app to the trash and empty it. Pro tip: use an uninstaller tool like Cleaner or App Cleaner to make sure no leftover files remain. Update your software. Outdated software can slow down your computer and even make it vulnerable to security threats. Make sure your operating system and apps are up to date. On Windows, go to Settings greater than Update and Security. On a Mac, go to System Preferences greater than Software Update. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes, so don't skip them. Hardware upgrades and maintenance. Add more RAM. If your computer is still slow after the software fixes, it might be time to upgrade your hardware. Adding more RAM is one of the easiest and most effective upgrades you can make. RAM, or random access memory, helps your computer multitask. If you're running out of RAM, your computer will slow down when you have too many tabs or programs open. Most modern computers can easily handle a RAM upgrade. Upgrade to an SSD. Another game-changing upgrade is switching from an HDD to an SSD. SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives, which means your computer will boot up quicker and apps will load in seconds. If you're not sure how to upgrade, there are plenty of guides online, or you can take it to a professional. Clean the inside of your computer. Dust buildup inside your computer can cause overheating, which leads to slower performance. Make sure to clean the inside of your PC or laptop every few months using compressed air. Just be gentle and avoid touching sensitive components. Optimize your browser. If your computer slows down while browsing the web, your browser might be the culprit. Clear your browser's cache, disable unused extensions, and close tabs you're not using. Pro tip: use a lightweight browser like Brave or Firefox if you're looking for speed. Use power settings for performance. On laptops, switching to a high-performance power plan can make a big difference. On Windows, go to Control Panel greater than Power Options and choose High Performance. On a Mac, go to System Preferences greater than Energy Saver and adjust the settings. Keep in mind, this might drain your battery faster, but it's worth it for better performance, preventing future slowdowns. Use antivirus software to keep your computer running smoothly. Use a reliable antivirus program to protect against malware and viruses. These threats can slow down your system and compromise your data. Regular maintenance. Make it a habit to clean your computer regularly. Set aside time once a month to delete junk files, uninstall unused programs, and check for updates. A little maintenance goes a long way. And there you have it, everything you need to know to speed up your computer and keep it running like new. From simple software fixes to powerful hardware upgrades, these tips will help you save time, money, and frustration. What's your favorite tip from today's video? Or do you have your own secret trick for speeding up a computer? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.